Alright, so I am on my way to AutoZone or O'Reilly's. I think O'Reilly's because I like them better. Because I need to get some parts to install this. So when I get there, I will update you and let you know. Alright, so just got out of O'Reilly's and I got a 18-inch, 2-inch inner diameter pipe and a connector. I also got a metal strapping kit to hold up this because we will not be needing the hangers after this because you do not see any hangers on here, which is kind of annoying, but it's whatever. I also rented one of these exhaust pipe cutter tools, so I can cut and kind of, I also got these. I don't know how well these will work, but we're gonna try them. Nice thing about O'Reilly's is they let you return it even if it doesn't work, so I can just play this by ear and kind of fiddle with it. So I will see you in the driveway. All right, so I just got back from O'Reilly's and I'm gonna grab the parts and then pull the muffler off and start kind of fitting everything. Yes, I'm wearing overalls. They don't look that great, but they protect my clothing from the elements. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, let's get to it. I got everything I need. I'm gonna jack up the car and then take the muffler off. Now we are going to take the exhaust off. It's gonna be a little warm because I just drove there. We'll put some gloves on and we'll be good. Now I'm just gonna get the hangers off. A little bit of WD-40 and floor jacking your foot should do. There we go. And there should be one more down there. Alright, so as you can see, I got the exhaust off. Now I need to take my exhaust cutter and cut right about here. So this is the exhaust tip I have. It's not as big as the muffler, obviously. So we're gonna have to make some cuts to make it fit. So I'll do that. All right, so I measured it out. This is 22 inches, and this is 14 and a half inches. So then I just minus that, and now I need 7.5 inches. All right, so I just got back from O'Reilly's, and I returned that long piece, and I got some more connectors, so this should go a lot smoother. Let's see, this goes back, this goes like, oh wait, sorry. This goes in there. It goes like that. It goes like that. Boom. And then I just need my hose clamps. Things. I don't know. You know. You get the gist. This will go like that. Hopefully it will clamp it. Alright, so I got the exhaust clamps, as you saw in the time lapse, on. You can see right here. Yep. So now I just gotta install them. Alright, so the exhaust, or the tip, is hitting against this piece of metal. So I'm gonna hit it a couple times and bend it, and then once it's bent, hopefully it'll fit better, and then I can get it on the hanger. Probably not the best angle, but now I'm gonna tighten down the exhaust to the downpipe. Going Superman style. Oh, this is a lot harder to see. Okay, we're going like this. Nope. Okay, we're going back to the back. Alright, well, I finished. There it is. Looks pretty good. There's a lot of clamps, but you know, it's fine. I'm gonna start her up. This is the first time I'm hearing it, so here we go. I'd say that sounds pretty good. I wish it kind of stuck out more, but there she is. Alright, so I'm editing this video, and I didn't do an outro, so here I am doing an outro. Next video will be up maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna upload this one tonight. This one isn't gonna be the best, and there's that next one, but when I get a new camera, I guess, the videos will be a little bit better, because that way I can edit them through Premiere Pro instead of iMovie. Right now I'm shooting iMovie, which I absolutely hate, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So stay tuned for next video. Hopefully it'll be out tomorrow or the next day. Peace.